Your engine could be slowly losing power, and you might not even notice it. No warning light, no obvious failure, just a hidden problem building up inside your engine, carbon deposits. And the worst part, this problem is very common in direct injection engines. So what causes carbon buildup, and how can you stop it before it damages your engine? Carbon buildup is the accumulation of thick black deposits on engine components, especially the intake valves. Over time, these deposits restrict airflow into the engine, reducing performance and efficiency. In severe cases, it can even cause engine misfires and rough idling. To understand why this happens, we need to look at how direct injection engines work. In older engines with port injection, fuel is sprayed onto the intake valves, which helps clean them continuously. But in direct injection engines, fuel is sprayed directly into the combustion chamber, meaning the intake valves never get cleaned by fuel. At the same time, oil vapors from the PCV system and blow-by gases stick to the valves. Over time, heat turns these deposits into hard carbon buildup. And that's where the problem begins. Carbon buildup doesn't happen overnight, it builds slowly. Here are some signs your engine may be affected. Rough idle, reduced engine power, poor fuel economy, engine misfires, slow acceleration. In some cases, you might not notice anything, until the problem becomes serious. The good news is, you can reduce or even prevent carbon buildup. Here's how. First, use high-quality fuel and follow proper maintenance schedules. Second, consider installing an oil catch can. This helps reduce oil vapors entering the intake system. Third, take your car for highway drives occasionally. Short trips increase carbon buildup, while longer drives help burn deposits. And finally, periodic intake valve cleaning, like walnut blasting, can restore engine performance. Ignoring carbon buildup can cost you more than just performance. Severe buildup can lead to expensive engine cleaning, injector issues, valve damage, reduced engine lifespan. Fixing the problem early is always cheaper than waiting for serious damage. Carbon buildup is one of the biggest downsides of direct injection engines, but now you know exactly what causes it and how to prevent it. If you take the right steps early, you can keep your engine running smooth, powerful, and efficient for years. If this video helped you understand your engine better, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple automotive explanations. Because here, we turn complex car problems into knowledge you can actually use.